When to use the article the by 123Speak. There are many rules for when to use the in a sentence. I've listed the rules in the description. If you're familiar with these rules, the most important learning comes through practice. So I have a quiz for you. Let's get into it. Choose when to use the in the following sentences. A. It's time for bed. Please go to bed now. B. It's time for bed. Please go to the bed now. The correct answer is A. It's time for bed. Please go to bed now. A. The earth goes round the sun. B. Earth goes round sun. The correct answer is A. The earth goes round the sun. A. Would you like to travel in the space? B. Would you like to travel in space? The correct answer is B. Would you like to travel in space? A. Did you enjoy the meal? B. Did you enjoy a meal? The correct answer is A. Did you enjoy the meal? A. Did you eat breakfast? B. Did you eat the breakfast? The correct answer is A. Did you eat breakfast? A. Sea was very stormy. B. The sea was very stormy. The correct answer is B. The sea was very stormy. A. Dad didn't go to the work. B. Dad didn't go to work. The correct answer is B. Dad didn't go to work. A. Is there the bank near here? B. Is there a bank near here? The correct answer is B. Is there a bank near here? A. Is it closed? No, the bank closes at 5 p.m. B. Is it closed? No, a bank closes at 5 p.m. The correct answer is A. Is it closed? No, the bank closes at 5 p.m. A. The Texas Longhorns are a football team. B. Texas Longhorns are a football team. The correct answer is A. The Texas Longhorns are a football team. A. The Texas is a beautiful state. B. Texas is a beautiful state. The correct answer is B. Texas is a beautiful state. A. Tallest building in Korea is the Lotte Tower. B. The tallest building in Korea is the Lotte Tower. The correct answer is B. The tallest building in Korea is the Lotte Tower. So was this video helpful to you? I hope it was. And if there's anything that I have left out, then please leave it in the comment section and I'll try to update things. And thank you for watching, and do subscribe for more videos like this.